We are going to be unboxing this package, which I am already opening. So it's the Genius X, the 20,000 model. So this brush, actually, this toothbrush I bought because it was on sale and I needed a new electric toothbrush. So it comes in this box. And of course this, then it's nicely packed. Okay, what do I have to say about this thing? So it comes with 4 toothbrushes, cable, which you can open, and comes with this cable. So let's see how to fix it. Yeah, this cable goes into here. Okay, this is how it goes. This goes into your electricity, and I think this is supposed to be going on there. And then actually this is the carrier of the toothbrush. So what you do is, after you've used it, you can put it in here. You just put it in here and put in 1 or 2 of your toothbrushes. This, of course, open, and there you have it. Yeah, and then plug this in. And the other thing it has is you can also use this cable on your carrier package. So I'll also remove this. Yeah, so you can put this cable into here. Let's see. Okay, you can put the cable in here too, or you can charge it through USB and charge it with your computer or with the outlets you have. So it will work. USB, electricity, doesn't matter, it works. So, and the carrier is very durable, it's strong. It's made of, I think, plastic, but it's really strong. So if it falls down, I don't think it will break, but just be careful. Don't throw around your toothbrush because it goes into your teeth. So people don't want you. But before you put in this toothbrush, you have to make sure that before you store your toothbrush, you have to make sure that you've removed the toothbrush, the brush itself. Your question should be, should you buy this toothbrush? I think you should buy a toothbrush anyway. If you need your teeth clean and white and sparkling, you should buy one. Do you need a very expensive toothbrush like this? This retails for 300 euros. It's now on sale for 50%. But do you need it? I don't think you need it, but you can try to use it. You can test it out and see if you really prefer this. But apparently it also has artificial intelligence. I didn't know we needed artificial intelligence to brush our teeth. It tells you automatically how hard you're brushing, so it switches it off so that you don't damage your teeth, or don't damage your gums and that kind of thing. But do we need to start using 300 euro plus toothbrushes? I don't know, but it was surprising. So to me, I was like, okay, let's see if my teeth will get better. So let's see how it's going to turn out, and I'll let you know what I find later on, if the electric toothbrushes for me, because I don't really believe in it, but my doctor recommended it, so, and I want to have sparkly teeth for myself and you guys, so I got one. So here is this.